Hi guys and welcome to another episode. We all know what truly wireless earphones are, but the question is, are they truly easy to operate? What if you want to gift them to one of your siblings or one of your relatives? Today I'm bringing my mom along to see if she can handle a few headphones that I've reviewed in the past. Hi ma.
Hi.
So sweet, you're wearing lipstick today. Yeah, you can go ahead and try the Realme Buds Air to begin with. You'll have to sync it with your phone first, ma. That might
So how
help.
do I do that?
Do you see a light on the cover?
There's a yellow light blinking. Now it's gone off. The light has gone off. It's saying connected.
Do you like the way they look, the design
Yeah,
of the case, of the buds?
it's cute. How deep is your love from Saturday Night Fever?
When you take it out of your ear, it pauses the music as well. It should have paused your music.
Now
when
it's
you-
paused.
So it does that also.
Acha. But when I was tapping it, it wasn't changing.
Yeah, so this one's touch interface is a little higher up. You're tapping it, I think, a little too low. You have to tap a little higher up. Yeah.
Yeah.
There, yeah.
Oh no, series, come on.
What did you think of these?
They're good. They sound good.
So now you're done with the Realme Buds Air. Do you have a general view on them?
They're quite sleek and the sound is good.
Hmm.
But it's the first, so let's see what the
Okay.
others do.
Then you can move on to the Xiaomi True Wireless Earphones 2.
Kind of awkward looking.
The stem is a bit thick, so they.
I prefer the Buds Air design.
Hmm.
But I can't hear anything from the right side,
Really?
only the left. Now I'm listening to the Rolling Stones
Achha.
singing Angie.
Okay.
So now to go to the next, what do I do with this one?
It's only. Oh, this doesn't have next previous. Is this a deal breaker for you? Would you not buy this because that can give it to you?
No, it's not a big deal.
There's a difference of 500 rupees on MRP between these two.
Which one is more?
The ones that are in your ears right now.
Oh. But that one does more.
Feature wise, yeah.
Yeah.
But what do you think of the sound?
Sound seems good.
Do you prefer it to this?
I think so.
Bit richer, no?
Ah.
Do you want to move on to the next then?
Hmm.
The ones you've picked up are the Oppo Enco W11.
So how do I sync it?
Don't drop them now.
How do I get it out? Am I putting it right or not? Or does it go the other way?
The other way, like it should come. The oval should fit in the side of your ear like this.
Oh, okay.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
it's already started playing
That seems
something.
about, yeah, it's got a touch area, so it must have thought you've asked it to play. It has a lot of these accidental taps.
With only one, it started
Yeah,
playing.
yeah, they work like that. This one costs less than these two.
But the sound is good.
It's got nice
On
sound.
this, yeah.
And now when you remove the earbud, it doesn't play pause like the other two.
But it stopped.
Because maybe you touch the thing, like the sides have accidental
Oh.
taps. The volume goes up when you press and hold the right earbud, and pressing and holding the left earbud reduces the volume.
And this one seems to cut out other sounds.
Because it's so far into the ear. Those other two just sit on the outside of the ear.
Yeah.
This one goes into your ear.
I like the sound of this.
Over those two? What are you listening to?
Always and Forever by Heatwave.
Did you enjoy these?
Yeah, I did.
You know how much they cost?
No.
The Enco W11's MRP is 3,999. I got these for 2,500, and right now they're going on they've been going on deals on Amazon and Flipkart for just a rupee under 2,000.
Wow. I really like the sound of it.
So you can move to the next. Yeah, so these are the Oppo Enco W31s. These are the, or should I say, the intermediate model of the Enco TWS series. How do you like the look of these? Does it remind you of your makeup mirror?
Oh, the little box, yes.
Yeah.
So, these.
Like,
This way.
Like you would. So this is a hybrid, ma.
What does that mean?
Meaning, remember these two are open, you could hear me, and then the Oppo W11 you couldn't hear me. So this is one that you put into your ear with a stem, but at the same time it has a good seal because it's got that ear tip over there. So you put it like that and then pull it. Yeah, you got it. That's how it fits.
This also seems to cut out the sound.
Yeah, because it's got those ear tips. But are they comfortable? Do you find them comfortable right now?
What do I do for the volume?
Phone. This doesn't have volume on the stems. Actually, of these few that we've tried so far, only the W11 has had volume control.
Fire and Rain, James Taylor. This has good bass. That one has,
It has crisper highs.
yeah. But this one has a good bass.
Yeah. You didn't find that to be bass happy compared to this?
This one's better for bass.
As in the
But
overall.
maybe the song that I was listening to didn't have as much bass as this one. This
Okay.
one has a lot
That
of bass.
could be a factor. But yeah, this does have a cleaner delivery of bass compared to the W11. You like these?
I like them, but that sound is crisper, as you say.
Of the W11?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mainly for the highs. How do you like the design, the fit, the feel, the overall finish of the case, the earbuds?
Yeah, it's nice. I don't know how it'll look.
I'll show you. It looks fine.
How much?
The W31s have an MRP of 5,999, but I bought these for 3,999. So you're getting, compared to that I think on a discount goes at 2,000, the Oppo W11, and this on discount goes for 3,999, and you get a more premium feel basically. Nicer case, nicer finish of the earbuds. It also has a cleaner delivery of sound.
Do they stick magnetically into the case?
Yeah, they do.
Seems like it.
In fact, all of them do. They have this slight magnetic tug, so even if it opens up in your bag or something, it doesn't really get lost.
This one is like a pearly finish.
Yeah, whereas the W11 was a flatter white. Moving on to the Oppo Enco Free. Be careful with these, they're a bit slippery.
I find all of them are slippery.
Oh.
So these don't cut out the other sounds.
So that's what's special about these. They have the form factor of the first two earphones you listen to. At the same time in the box, you get these extra ear tips.
Oh.
So right now I've got the smallest ear tip on that. So it's not...
Doesn't fill the ear.
Yeah, it doesn't fill up the ear. Whereas this is a medium and a large. You can try these on as well. Also, these have, again, the double tap feature. But apart from the double tap feature, the entire stem is a touch surface on both sides. If I'm not mistaken, the right earbud up is next, slide down is previous, and volume up down is slide up and down on your
Left side.
left.
Very sensitive. That one's bass is still better than this.
Do you want to try it on the same track?
I'm trying it on the same track.
That is the proper seal version that you've heard. We'll change this one's ear tips and you try.
It's made a difference. What did you say I had to do with the right side?
Right side swipe up is next track, swipe down is previous track. So when you're going for your walks, you don't really need to look at your phone. You can just interact with your music like that.
But with those I can't.
This has the most features based on that and is the most interactive of the lot. Like take for example the Mi, you can't even go to the next track. You can only play and pause by tapping and play and pause by moving it. That one's a bit silly.
And how much was this?
MRP is 9,990, but you can get these for as I did, 7,999. So it is the most expensive of the lot you've heard today. So what do you think of this one then?
I like these features
Mm.
where you can go to the previous and the next and the volume control.
Mm.
But I prefer the sound of that one.
The W31?
Yeah.
Oh, that's interesting. I've told you the prices now of all of these. Which one would you go for? Let's say if your budget was as much as 9,000 and you're looking for features, you're looking for good sound, you're looking for good finish. Also, let me point one thing out. The first two ones you used only come with a 6-month warranty, whereas the other 3 come with a full 1-year warranty. So that gives you an idea of how much confidence the company has in their own product.
If my budget was 9,000, I would go for this. But if my budget was less, say 5,000, I think I'd go for
The W31?
Yeah. I liked the sound of the other one,
The W11.
because it was crisp, but I liked the way the W31 did the bass.
You will not have swipe for next track. You will not have volume control on those. Sorry, that has double tap for next track, but you will not have volume control. That's the only problem. Would you be willing to settle with them, considering it doesn't have volume control, for 4,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I can always control the volume from my phone if I need to.
So the W31s are your winners of the 5 we've got today. Of all the 5, be it features, be it synchronizing with your phone on a daily basis, would you find these easy to operate, easy to use?
Yes.
And of the 5, which would you prefer on that front? Forget the sound.
The
Enco free.
Yeah.
With the sliding options and everything.
Yeah.
So basically, if the W31s came with the slide features, that would be the ultimate earphone. Okay. Let's hope Oppo sees this and makes them. Okay, ma, thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks for joining Paul's POV.
You're
the
welcome.
First episode of Mom's POV. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to operate TWS earphones. I didn't ask a sibling or a relative, I asked my senior citizen mum. She found these very easy to operate and will find them easy to use on a daily basis. So one thing you have to keep in mind is that sound is terrifically subjective. My mum might find the W31s to be the best sounding here, but I may not. And maybe I should pit the 3 Oppo Enco TWS against each other for another video. But this was just an experiment to see how well somebody who didn't really operate TWS earphones could handle them on a regular basis. So if you're thinking about gifting one of these 5 to a senior citizen, maybe the W31 might be the perfect one for them, as per our experiment just now. So remember to like, share and subscribe and click that bell icon for future notifications. Thank you for tuning into Paul's POV for some sound advice.
I'm holding this and it's playing.
Because it's got a sensor where your thumb is, no? So it thinks it's in your ear.
Yes, I know.
Oh, you put on Siri.
Oh.